Hey everybody, I'm Brian, this is the Apple Bias, and today is unboxing day. Yes, I'm going to be unboxing these, but if you do like unboxing content, I'm going to be doing a lot more here soon. Today I ordered the new iMac, the iPad, the Magic Keyboard, and the Siri remote, so hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you get all the new content as soon as I upload it. Let's go ahead and get started with these unboxings. So let's go ahead and start off with the accessory. So, that off. Pull this bad boy out. Ooh. That's cool. So if you can see, just snaps into place once you put it in there. Interesting. And now the AirTag. AirTag. There is some paperwork in here. Just the normal stuff. No sticker, but very cool. Now I do hear that these scratch very easily. I mean, I own the stainless steel watch. I know all about scratching on these things. So now as soon as oh, that is sweet. And, ooh. So there you have it. The AirTag. Oh man, that comes off really easily. So there's the battery. I love that they made these batteries just normal batteries. So that is awesome. Just pop it in, turn it. But that does come off a little loose. Like, I mean, doesn't take much to pop that off, which is good and bad. All right, so let's go ahead, clear all this stuff out of the way, and let's pop this in here. Guessing it goes in just like that, snaps in. There you go. All right, so now let's go ahead and get it set up with my phone. It works just like the AirPods. So connect. Let's just say keys since I got the keychain on here. So now I can go ahead and play the sound. That gets pretty loud. And then we can also try the find nearby. So as I stretch it out further, it goes a little further. So there you have it. I'm gonna be throwing these things on my keys and giving them a real good shot. I don't know what to think about these so far. Like, I don't really lose things. The only thing I really lose is my hat. So maybe they could make like a little button, because these things already look kind of like a button. So maybe I could, you know, you see people that actually put buttons on their hats. So maybe I could do something like that with this. But overall, the keychain looks really cool. I like the look. I like the way it just snaps into place. So I think that's really cool. Probably should have done some kind of engraving because it looks kind of just bland without one. So I highly recommend, if you're looking to get one of these, do an engraving. Have a little fun with it. Either one of the emojis they give. Hopefully eventually they'll give us the nerd emoji, because that's the one I would have got right away. Not too bad, Apple. Well, I guess we'll have to wait and see till I lose something. But I'll be doing another like week with video coming next week, and then after that we're gonna have a bunch more unboxings. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and feel free to check out my other videos right here, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.